bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are whipping up a very simple and very lovely summer stone fruit facial oil serum. So I've named this serum for the 3 starring oils in it, all of which come from stone fruits: plums, cherries, and apricots. I loved the idea of pairing the oils from these 3 fruits that I would, put in a fruit salad together and enjoy at the same time of year, pick up at a farmer's market together. I love the idea of combining them into an oil serum. Out of these 3 oils, it's hard to choose a favorite, but I think plum oil is my favorite for its gorgeous, soft, marzipan-y scent, which does come through in the finished serum. In addition to the 3 oils, I've also included 2 gorgeous antioxidants in this formulation: vitamin E and Coenzyme Q10. This entire formulation is cold processed and comes together in a flash. As always, if you'd like to learn more about the ingredients, if you're looking for substitutions, links to places to buy all the ingredients, information on scaling the formulation, make sure you are reading the full partner blog post, which is linked in the description box below this video. I think that is enough chat, so let's go make this gorgeous oil serum. So this is really simple to make. We're just going to combine everything in a little beaker, give it a stir, and pour it into our bottle. If you wanted to, you could make this right in the bottle, but I'm doing it in the beaker so you can kind of see what is happening a bit better. So we're going to start with 0.6 grams of this Coenzyme Q10 product. This is from Lotion Crafter, Q-MAX TM. Look it up in the Humblebee and Me encyclopedia to learn more. But yeah, 0.6 grams of this. Up next, we'll need 6 grams of apricot kernel oil. And yeah, you can see I'm just weighing everything directly into the beaker, but I'm using a precise scale and moving relatively slowly when I start to get close to where I want to be. And then I'm also using something that allows me to dispense the oil, drop by drop, so we can really sneak up on the weight we're going for, because obviously once you have multiple things in a beaker, if you overshoot it, there's not a lot you can do about it. So yeah, now we're getting close to 6, so I'm slowing down to a drop at a time, making sure that the scale has registered each new drop before adding another one, so that we can just creep up on 6 grams. We'll need 5.2 grams of cherry kernel oil. I really like these little dispensers that come on the oil bottles from Mystic Moments. This was a gift because yeah, as you can see, it's just a little kind of gentle shake and you can just dispense a fairly small amount of oil. Our last oil is plum kernel oil. This was a gift from Essential Wholesale. We need 8 grams of it. And our last ingredient is 0.2 grams of vitamin E. This one is MT50 mixed tocopherols, and it is in the Humblebee and Me encyclopedia if you would like to learn more. And this is different from vitamin E acetate. And again, more information on that in the Humblebee and Me encyclopedia. So that is all of our ingredients. Give that a stir to combine. So for packaging, I'm going to use this 25 milliliter frosted glass bottle. This is from New Directions Aromatics, and then I have a treatment pump top for it. As you can see, the tube on that is way too long, so we'll start by trimming that to size. Just kind of scoot that off the side there, sort of line that up, and then give it a snip. And then in that goes. Well, you can see I probably could have made a slightly bigger batch. It's a 20-gram batch for a 25 milliliter bottle, and it didn't quite fill it. Oh, it smells wonderfully of marzipan. So that is it for the making. I'm going to wrap this up by just few little aesthetic touches. So the frosted glass, when you have like oil on your hands and you touch the frosted glass, you'll get kind of oily fingerprints. I'm not sure how well that's coming across on camera, but it's not a great look. So we are going to wipe the bottle down with some paper towel that has some isopropyl alcohol on it, and that will take care of that. And then I'm going to decorate the bottle with a bit of this dark blue washi tape. This was from the Muji store. For a bit of an application demo, and just pump a little bit out onto my hand here. Smooths around, just feels really, really lovely. Quite rich, but not like greasy or heavy. And then really sinks in quite quickly. Lovely soft smell of marzipan from that plum oil, and you can see it just leaves the skin glowing. And there you go. So we just made a really lovely summer stone fruit facial oil serum. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and please make sure you are reading the full partner blog post for this formulation, which is linked in the description box below. You'll find a lot more information there, including information on substitutions, scaling, shelf life, where to buy all the ingredients, and a whole lot more. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.